Understanding Welding Gloves, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but interesting term, welding gloves. We'll break down what this phrase means, how it's used, and why it's important. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. So, let's dive in. Welding gloves are a type of protective glove used in welding to protect the hands from the hazards of welding. These gloves are designed to provide safety, durability, and comfort while handling welding equipment. They're typically made from materials like leather or fire-resistant fabrics to withstand high temperatures and prevent burns. Welding involves exposure to extreme heat, sparks, and sometimes harmful UV radiation. Welding gloves play a crucial role in protecting welders from these dangers. They not only guard against burns but also reduce the risk of long-term injuries. Understanding the importance of these gloves is essential, especially in professions related to welding or construction. Different types of welding gloves offer various features. Some common characteristics include heat resistance, to protect against high temperatures; durability, they are designed to last despite the harsh conditions; flexibility, to allow ease of movement; comfort, ensuring that the gloves do not cause discomfort during use. The phrase, welding gloves, can be used in different contexts, such as safety instructions: always wear welding gloves when operating a welding machine. Purchasing tools: I need to buy a new pair of welding gloves for my workshop. General conversation: welding gloves are essential for any welder's safety. We hope this video has helped you understand what welding gloves are and why they're important. Remember, learning English involves not just grammar and vocabulary, but also understanding specific terms used in various professions and daily life. Stay tuned for more interesting English language learning content, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.